Gov Capital expects Zcash to grow 4.3% tomorrow. Before anything else, let's check the chart conditions. Zcash is now down 0.8% since yesterday and trades just under $471.41. Moving on to what analysts are projecting. The asset could slide to $453.58 tomorrow, Traders Union suggests, marking a reduction of 3.8%. CoinDataFlow puts the target for Zcash at $473.41, about 0.4% above current value. CoinCodex points out it could strengthen to $481.68, a move up of approximately 2.1%. Another analysis released by Gov Capital points to Zcash moving up toward $491.76, a gain estimated near 4.3%. To conclude, 30 Rates targets $519 by tomorrow with 10.1% upside. This one holds the top earning potential. Tomorrow's calls are done. Let's check the next move. After reviewing all 5 projections, here's the numerical breakdown. Based on the collected data from each expert, the expected market range is from a decrease of 3.8% to a rise of 10.1%, depending on the analyst. In conclusion, 30 Rates projects the highest gain, with 10.1% increase in value by August 4. This means you could earn between $4 and $101 for every $1,000 you invest. From a probability standpoint, CoinDataFlow is ahead with a 94.8% chance of success. Taking into account all 5 forecasts, I've put together one overall consensus scenario. The consensus scenario puts Zcash on course for about 2.6% growth. Let's get into the weeds a bit. Consensus outlook shows the price advancing by 2.6%. This implies that your capital could gain by the same 2.6%. A 1,000 investment might show a return of about $26 under this forecast. Consensus calculations suggest the scenario has a probability of around 85.7%. Up next, let's see how analysts view the short-term 3-day forecast. Traders Union expects a bearish continuation. CoinDataFlow points to a sideways outlook where Zcash drifts without meaningful progress. According to CoinCodex, the price path is set to rise. Additionally, Gov Capital notes that Zcash could push higher. Likewise, 30 Rates describes Zcash as following a rising course. Bringing all analyst views together, the consensus points to Zcash trending upward over the next 3 days. Taken together, the majority of analysts agree that Zcash is leaning toward an upward path over the next 3 days. 2 days ago, 5 sites posted forecasts for the day ahead. That day has already played out, so let's see how they matched. In the end, the final close was $489.90. The majority of predictions turned out correct on the direction. The prediction that stood closest to reality came from crypto predictions. Let's map it out. The daily candle contained 4 forecasts. Speaking of ROI, some predictions turned profitable, but crypto predictions topped the list. Moving on to the performance summary, a clear way to compare how each analyst did. From the table, 30 Rates reached minus 5.5% ROI and $44.90 accuracy. See which forecasts matched the market movement most precisely. Let's take a look at how tomorrow's potential returns compare between Zcash and a few others. Zcash ranks first with the highest forecasted return of 2.6% for tomorrow. For now, we're comparing Zcash with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full comparison across a larger group is now on my website. If Zcash is part of your portfolio or just on your radar, a like would mean a lot. Have a good one.